welcome back to my channel. I am Angel. I'm doing a packing video today because I am moving, so I wanted to pack my room. And I don't know if you like these types of videos, I guess keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to give you a little overview of what we are working with. I know, it's a mess. These clothes I have to fold to be able to fit in that container, so I have to do that. I'm going to take all the stuff off the walls today. But you want to get probably that little area taken care of and just put like my shoes and clothes, pack up most of the stuff. So my skin looks terrible, I know, but we're just gonna ignore it for now because what can I do? I have no idea what's going on with my skin, and this may look like a hickey, but it's not. It's a scratch. I don't know what's happening there either, but anyways, we're just going to start with the things that are on the wall first. So this is kind of my quote wall, I guess you can say. I just put quotes on sticky notes, and yeah, I mean, I thought it was kind of cute. Okay, so I got all the sticky notes down and the wall looks so plain, but I'm just gonna put this in a drawer with my other sticky notes. I'm not sure if we're going to be putting it up in the new room. I don't know how I'm going to decorate it yet, but let's move on. So I know this is a weird angle, but this is my Polaroid wall. Most of them have fallen down, so we're gonna take the rest of them off and put them into this little scrapbook or photo album book. We're gonna put them in there, and yeah.
She's closing up. Come to visit me. She said that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me.
This is a Polaroid from my old room, and it's from year 2017, and it's of sticky notes. So you could tell I do the sticky note thing a lot. So this is when I used to be really into painting, like in 9th grade. And then show that, but I don't know, I was really into painting nude women for some reason. Okay, so there's more room in this box, so I'm going to add some more stuff to it. Okay, this is a whole mess over here, but I'm going to grab these books. I'll grab my Polaroid camera, photo album, holder, and let's grab an eyelash in there. Oh, and an anklet. Okay, so we are on to clothes. I have to fold all of this to get it to fit in this bin, and also decide if I want to keep some things or not. So let's just get it over with.
Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Okay, so I've mainly just pulled out like sweatpants and pajamas and stuff. So I'm just gonna come back to when I'm halfway finished, and yeah. Okay, so I'm halfway done with my piles, and you know, just all kind of looks like a mess, but this is all the stuff that I don't want, and I'm probably gonna either give it to Goodwill or sell some. So yeah, she honestly does the most. Girl, get out. Okay, so this is all that has been folded in there, and then some of my pajamas I put over here in these drawers, and then this is all the stuff that I don't want. I'm either going to give it to Goodwill or sell it on Mercari or Depop or something. These are the ones that are going to go into a box. So right now I'm going to put these in a bag so I just separate it from the rest of the stuff.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that.
Okay, so now we're gonna do shoes, but most of my shoes are in my closet. My closet is absolutely a disaster. So yeah, it doesn't even open all the way because my bed.
Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get.
Okay, so I also have a lot of shoes and a lot of things under my bed. So I'm gonna get that out as well. I don't know what will come out because it's been a while since I've looked under there, but we're gonna do it. This is actually quite embarrassing. So really, like, I'm exposing myself because this is a lot, you know? But we're cleaning, and yeah, so. Okay, so I have most of my shoes right here. I'm not gonna tape up the box because I'm not sure if I have everything from the closet and under the bed. So just to be safe, I'm not gonna tape the box shut. And because we have a couple days until we leave, so. Penny, is this your idea of helping me pack? Because you're not doing a very good job. Okay, I have these two little boxes and I'm just going to fill them up with stuff that's over there, or you know, just little things that I'm not going to be using.
The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a mag.
Okay, so this is how we're looking. Still really like dirty, but progress was made. Okay, my mirror is dirty, but what's new? But I want to end this video off here. I'm exhausted. I started this video at like 10 and it's almost 4. So yeah, I'm not finished packing and I think I'm going to pick that up on another day, but I don't think I'm going to film that. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. My mom's home. I'll see you guys next time.